We made a decision to get rid of these glass shower doors, mainly because she hates them.
Ugh, they're gross. I could never get them clean. He could never get them clean. You could even see through them.
And that's what this week's video is all about.
Hi, I'm Felix.
And I'm Cindy.
In 2019, we sold everything and moved into our RV full-time.
Since then, we've traveled the country following my nursing contracts.
We are the Roaming Gomes.
Welcome back. And for those of you new to the channel, I'm Felix.
I'm Cindy.
We are the Roaming Gomes. We're going to be leaving here soon.
We've been in Tucson for 15 months. Longest we've ever stayed anywhere.
And it was time we put the roam back in roaming.
So we're looking at contracts, couple of different ones in Arizona, and have one in particular that we're hoping to get. So we'll keep you updated on that.
And we'll reveal where that's going to actually be. It could even be California. We don't know yet. But what I want to talk about this week is replacing the shower doors in our RV. Cindy hated them. I wasn't particularly fond of them either. And there is the side benefit of it actually lessens the weight in the RV.
How so?
Well, they come out to about 100 pounds all total.
Oh, wow. Didn't realize that.
So we got rid of them. And we're going to show you how to do that and what we replaced it with. From here on, you're just listening to me. First thing you're going to have to do is remove the two stops for the doors. I didn't actually record me removing them, but this is very simple. It's a matter of just one screw and remove the stop. After that, removing the doors is easy, unlike what I've seen in a lot of videos, which made it look like all you have to do is pop these buttons and out come the doors. Not true. What you have to do is push the buttons after you line them up with the cutout in the track. And then, yes, it is quite easy. So don't forget this step. Then you line up the top rollers with the same cutout on top. And you pop them out. And out comes the door. Your next step is going to be to remove the two side panels. And again, this is fairly simple. It's just one screw up top, and that will allow you to lift the track a little, and you have to work the panels out of the side track. Now, this is appropriate for us because we planned on using the existing bar up top as our shower curtain rod. So we're not removing the entire frame. Once you get that side out, you put the screw back in. Again, pretty simple. And then you repeat the process for the other side. Now again, you have to work these out of the side tracks if this is what you're going to do, if you're not removing the entire frame. But they do work out, and they do come out fairly simply. They are kind of jammed into the side track, but once you lift up that track a little bit up top, it'll come out fairly easily. Once it's out, just put the screw back in, and you've now got your shower rod hung. We also chose to remove the bottom rail, mainly because it's kind of nasty. It's almost impossible to clean in that rail, and underneath it actually gets dirty, despite the fact that it's got caulking around it. So I just pulled it out. Nothing's holding it in other than the caulking, and it just kind of popped right out once I cut that caulking away. Then it was just a matter of cleaning up that bottom rail area, which you can see is a nasty, nasty area. And then we hung our shower curtain. We used a shower curtain with a liner, and we needed to get 2-inch shower curtain hooks that would go around the top rail. Actually, we've ordered different ones that are coming. And I think it really made a pretty big improvement over how the bathroom looks. Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you're interested in any other how-to videos, check out this playlist.